I'm Dr. Sucheta Swami, dermatologist and cosmetologist from Yogan's Clinic, Bangalore. Today I shall be talking about acne. I see a lot of patients who are on acne treatment and they come and say, Doctor, I have used the medicines but I have not seen any improvement. And they also say that I have started using the medicines but my acne has increased after starting the anti-acne treatment. And they also say that, Doctor, when I was using the medicines I used to have very good improvement, but the moment I stopped the medicines, again I have got back my acne. So you need to understand what acne is and how long the medicines take to act. Acne is a chronic inflammatory condition of the hair follicles. Whenever there is excess of oil production, whenever there is a blockage in the pores gets blocked and it causes a breakout. Especially in teenagers, due to the hormonal changes, excess of oil production will block the pores and cause breakouts. So one has to know that long-term maintenance is very, very important with respect to acne. And for the medicines, what we use in acne, retinoids and benzoyl peroxides, these are the ones which reduce the oil production. And these medicines take at least 6 to 8 weeks to show the results. So one has to wait for 6 to 8 weeks to see the improvement. Within few weeks, 1 or 2 weeks, we are not able to get any good results with respect to acne. And one more thing is, when we start the medicines like retinoids or benzoyl peroxide, initially for 2 to 3 weeks there might be acne flare up. So there is nothing to worry, nothing to panic. Be regular with your medicines and you need 6 to 8 weeks to see the improvement. And third important thing is, since it is a chronic condition, once we stop the medicines, after few weeks to few months, again the oil production might start, which might cause acne breakouts. So one has to maintain. The moment you see your acne has cleared up nicely, you need to maintain. That is, you need to use your anti-acne medicines at least 2 to 3 days in a week for a long time. Suppose in between, if you see there is any breakout, if you see the acne is increasing, again you start using the anti-acne medicines every day for a couple of weeks until your acne resolves, and again you can go for maintenance. If you see your acne is still increasing, then you see your dermatologist. So very important 3 things. First thing is, it needs time. 6 to 8 weeks you have to wait for the medicines to act. Second thing is, initial 1, 2 weeks or 3 weeks, if you see there is any increase in acne, nothing to worry. Third thing is, you need to maintain. Even after you see your acne has cleared, you need to maintain. You have to continue the medicines at least 2 to 3 days in a week. Thank you.
To book an appointment with a cosmetologist or a dermatologist in your area, please visit www.skinandhairacademy.in.